error is there is no item category assigned for account 200, 100. So you'll get this error frequently. This error is because there is one functionality called document splitting functionality. So generally it will be not activated, but someone might have activated that functionality. That's a client level functionality. If someone activates, it will impact all the company codes. I'll give you the solution for this. New session. Go to SPRO, IMG, go to financial accounting new, general ledger accounting, business transactions, document splitting, activate document splitting. This one. Execute. Somebody has activated this functionality, so you are getting item category issue. Just deactivate it and save. Now, if you have deactivated this, someone again can activate, right? So is there any permanent solution? Go to deactivation per company code. Take your company code BI40, enter, inactivate at your company code level. Okay, save. If you are inactivating at your company code, if someone come and activate at client level, that is here, it will not reflect. There won't be any problem for your company code. So this is one way to resolve this item category issue, and we can move forward. Now what I will do, I'll close this session. It has to update. Okay. Now quickly I'll be doing vendor invoice 22.04.2025 invoice 1 lakh rupees. So let me take the text, account, amount. I want text as well at line item level. So I'll copy the text also. Now go to simulate. So let me post. Okay.